This one is gorgeous. Today we're at 70 Landry up in Beechwood Village. Nick Fundytus here, and today the team and I are excited to show you Unit 802. It's a gorgeous corner unit, freshly renovated with hardwood floors, paint, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a beautiful view back toward the city's core. It is just steps away from all kinds of amenities. You can walk to the Byward Market or the Rideau Center, but here right around are some of Ottawa's best restaurants, trendy shopping, and miles of hiking paths along the Rideau River.
Beechwood Village offers all of the downtown core's comforts with peace and quiet. Not far from here, you'll find some grocery stores, plenty of good eats, and some locally owned coffee shops. If you're thirsty for good coffee in a quick bite, you'll find locally owned shops such as Red Door Provisions, and if you're hungry for a bigger bite, you'll find delicious eats such as Ola Casino. Beechwood Village also happens to be located just a few minutes away from the Byward Market, the Rideau Center, and if you head a touch further west, you'll find access to the remainder of Ottawa's downtown core. I cannot get away without mentioning this neighborhood's access to dozens of kilometers of beautiful paths along the Rideau River to be explored on wheels or legs.
Let's sum up what's great about Unit 802 70 Landry. It has fantastic finishes, hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows, in-unit laundry, and heated underground parking. It's in one of the city's best neighborhoods with great restaurants like Fraser Cafe, Ola Casino, Red Door Provisions, and it's close to the river with miles of hiking trails. Finally, the building itself. It's modern, bright, it has a gym, party room, and a beautiful pool. There's not too much more you could ask for here. Did you love this video? If you want to find out more about the unit or the building, just go to nickfundytus.ca or follow us on YouTube and click the notification button so that you never miss a video or a neighborhood walkthrough. We'll look forward to finding you your next home. This building has,
Oh, someone's calling me, so let's put it on.
And click the notification building. God damn.